For an international exhibition in Dubai, we were commissioned by a Russian electroplating contracting company to create a factory-scale model of their electroplating workshop, a miniature representation built for transport, presentation, and visual impact at WETEX. The goal was simple: showcase their industrial workflow in a compact, detailed, and fully display-ready format, a physical model that their prospects could explore at a glance instead of imagining the real thing. We began by 3D printing the primary components using FDM technology, laying the foundation with strong, precisely formed structures. Non-detailed elements such as tankers, stairs, and auxiliary components were then produced through plastic 3D printing, lightweight, efficient, and ideal for scale modeling. Acrylic parts were laser cut next, preparing the framework for a clean architectural layout. With precision cuts complete, assembly of the acrylic warehouse structure began the first glimpse of the workshop taking shape. Once the framework stood solid, we added roof patterns to enhance realism and surface detailing. Markings and layout lines were finalized onto an acrylic base, followed by a dry fit assembly using an MDF foundation to ensure perfect alignment. Grass textures were then applied across the layout, a subtle addition that breathed visual life into the environment. Next, the highly detailed elements were crafted using SLA 3D printing, capturing fine geometry with exceptional accuracy and finish. The components were primed and finished, smoothing every surface for a flawless final coat. Paint was applied using exact RAL color references, accurately reflecting the original industrial palette. Then came the most exciting stage: full assembly. Piece by piece, the workshop model came together. One side is complete, then the other. A miniature factory, slowly awakening. LED lighting was wired in, illuminating the structure from within. And with the final assembly locked in place, our vision stood complete. Human figurines were added last, giving scale, life, and story to the scene. If your organization is preparing for an exhibition, trade show, or high-profile presentation, and you need a professional scaled model that tells your story with clarity and impact, please send us your inquiry. Let's build your vision. Let's make your project stand out.